Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to pay on Amazon with tremendous gift card. So for you to be able to pay with Amazon or pay on Amazon with tremendous card, you have to open your tremendous account or email where you receive your tremendous gift card. So after that, log in and check the available balance on your tremendous gift card. Then if Amazon is listed as a redemption option, choose Amazon gift card, then select the amount you want to redeem from the tremendous to Amazon. Then confirm. You will receive an Amazon gift card code instantly. Copy the Amazon gift card code, open the Amazon website or the app and go to your account. So tap the gift card, then click redeem a gift card, and enter a code from Tremendous. Enter the code from Tremendous and apply it to your Amazon account. At the checkout, Amazon will automatically use your gift card balance to pay, and that's it. You've successfully paid on Amazon using your Tremendous gift card by redeeming it for an Amazon code. And that's how you can easily pay on Amazon with tremendous gift card. If you find the video helpful, hit the notification button and subscribe for more guide.